Hello dear students, today we are going to see class 9th English 1.4 The Story of Tea Complete English Workshop. First question, list all the names of geographical places mentioned in the passage. Answer, Assam, Cambodge, Darjeeling, Nilgiris, England, Japan, Mongolia, Europe, China. Next question. Question number 2. Make smaller words using the letters in the given words. At least 5 words each. Actually, small words यहाँ पे बनाने हैं. फर्स्ट वर्ड है act, cat, cut, tall, call, tally, actual. सेकंड वर्ड यहाँ पे दिया गया है रिफ्रेशिंग. यहाँ पे लेटर्स यूज करने हैं और स्मॉलर वर्ड्स हमें बनाने हैं. फाइन, रिंग, सिंग, फ्रेश, रेफर, शाइन, रिफरेट. नेक्स्ट है इमीडिएटली, डे, ईट, मैट, टी, टाइम, डाइट, आइडिया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है इन्वेस्टिगेशंस. स्मॉलर वर्ड है सी, सन, टेन, वेट, वैन, ईस्ट, नेस्ट, नोज, इन्वेंट, इन्वेस्ट. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है मेडिटेशन. स्मॉलर वर्ड्स आर मैन, डेट, डेट, डीन, टाइम, एडिट, माइंड, एडिशन. नेक्स्ट वर्ड है एंजॉयबल. आंसर एनी, बाय, बी, जॉय, एबल, एन, लेन, ओनली, एंजॉय. नेक्स्ट वर्ड loneliness. Smaller words are ill, sun, lens, lose, nine, line, nose, soil. Next word friendship. Smaller words are pain, pin, raid, spin, ride, dish, fire, sheep, and friends. From the passage, कॉपी करेक्टली एनी 3 सेंटेंसेस दैट बिगिन विथ हाउ. यहाँ पे हमें पैसेज में फाइंड आउट करने हैं जो सेंटेंस हाउ से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं वो हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं. फर्स्ट है हाउ एंड व्हेन डिड फर्स्ट बिगिन टू ड्रिंक टी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ एंड व्हेन डिड फर्स्ट बिगिन टू ड्रिंक टी. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, हाउ डिड दिस beverage get this name? And third question, how did tea first come to India? Question number 4. Find the meanings of the following from a good dictionary. First word, infusion. Meaning is drink prepared by mixing tea leaves or herbs with liquid. Second, restorative. Capable of reviving health and strength. Next, inscription. Documents or records written, engraved or painted. Next, radicals. Reactive atoms or molecules having an electron. Connoisseurs. An expert critic of a field having fine taste and good knowledge. Question number 5. List the word related to. First, agriculture. Plant, climate, rainfall, soil, tea, estate, tea plants, growing season, leaves, trees, herbs, shrub, plantation, seeds. Next word है chemistry from the passage. Infusing carbohydrate, fat, proteins, caffeine, stimulant, infusion, chemical, free radicals, antioxidant. Question number 6. Complete the following sentences with the help of passage. A. Camellia sinensis is an evergreen plant that grows in dash dash. Answer, tropical and subtropical climates. Second, the teas we buy are actually classified according to dash dash. Their leaf size. Next, in many countries around the world, tea drinking is an dash dash. Answer, important social occasion. Next, our body produces chemicals called free radicals. Question number 7. Prepare a flowchart to show the growth and journey of tea from the plantation to our homes. Use information from the lesson. First flowchart, first process is plantation. Second, leaves dried. Third, leaves curd. Next, leaves process. Next is leaves pack. And last one is sold to us. Question number 8. From the passage, find all the words or pairs of words that begins with T. Example, teapot, tea plants, etc. First word, tea estate, tea testing, tea seeds, tea ceremony, tea lovers. Tea shrub, tea growing, tea making, tea garden and tea leaves. Question number 9. Underline the infinitive in the following sentences. It was funny to read words that stood still. Second, to be or not to be, that is the question. Can I read the book? Next, they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. The answer of this question is like that. It was funny to read. To read is the infinitive. In second sentence, to be or not to be. To be और to be, दो जो वर्ड्स है वो इन्फिनेटिव है. थर्ड सेंटेंस, कैन आई रीड द बुक, रीड इज द इन्फिनेटिव. नेक्स्ट, could help, help is the infinitive. And last one is talk is the infinitive. In this way, today we have completed the English workshop of the story of tea. Dear students, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.